The reason Portland State is investing in a proposal to build a new performing arts venue in downtown Portland is, first of all, because the city asked us to. They invited us to propose something that would be on our campus.
What we are proposing is extremely exciting. It's not only a replacement for the Keller Auditorium, which would be an incredibly enhanced performance venue of 3,000 seats, but we're also planning a smaller performance venue, and along with that, an academic building and a hotel. It's a wonderful complex.
We're super excited about what this means for the community. Arts organizations in Portland are at a kind of fragile moment right now. Creating a brand new facility that really responds to what they need, creating a facility that can be built while they're continuing to perform in the existing Keller gives them a continuity that they'll lose if we take the only place that many of them perform.
Building a brand new venue allows us to build it in a climate resilient way with sustainable practices, with mass timber, and also will allow us to make it a venue that is tunable to different size performances. So we believe we can bring a lot of possible synergies, including having educational programs there.
Portland is an extremely diverse community. This venue is an opportunity for them to celebrate their cultures and be celebrated in their cultures.
One of the best things about this project is it gives a lot of visibility to what Portland State's already been doing, which is to be very seriously in the conversation around the revitalization of downtown Portland.
When you come into Portland, off of 405, you're going to see this incredible building, right? It's an anchor of downtown. It's going to be something that spurs downtown Portland in a way that nothing else can.
People will travel to come and see that space. New shows will want to book into the new environment. And that just generates streetscape vitality and urban energy, which then leads to new restaurants opening up, new retail environments being created, new investment for housing and development.
It's going to create tremendous numbers of construction jobs, but then it's also going to create ongoing jobs. When you have a hotel right next to it and you have a facility that's really created around a university that's investing in the service industry, you're going to activate our city. You're going to make our city again be a place that is a destination.
And the site that PSU has chosen for this project is really ripe for that kind of investment.
It's going to be something that again tells everybody across the nation, Portland is open for business. Portland is a place that people want to invest and put dollars in.
I'm really excited about the project because it really lets us lean into our motto, let knowledge serve the city. And I think this allows us to do it in a new and exciting way.